Okay, I gotta take the console out because the control knob doesn't work, so we're gonna work on that. So first, I'm gonna take one of these little pry things and try to get under here. There should be two, and then one on each side here. I've never taken this off before, ever, so hopefully I don't break it. There we go. The clips, and two clips up here. So that's just we're just gonna take that and put it aside. Okay. Then now we gotta get to these bolts to take this out. I believe it's a 10 millimeter, so I'm gonna use that to get to those bolts. Okay. And that takes care of that. This should then come out, and I should be able to undo the things that are back here. Yeah. Alright, so I was able to undo the antenna from around this cable and pull it out, and then squeeze in these cables and get these out of here. 1, 2, and we'll get them all out, okay? Alright, so first things first, we have to remove the radio from the rest of the assembly. So I'll have to get these two screws out of here, okay? Two on this side. Okay. And then this should separate from that unit, if I can get it to pop over it. There we go, that's one. That's two. And there we go. The radio is separate from this now. So I'll take that and put it aside. And what we have to do now is get inside here. Try to get all of it. Okay, so got those two screws out too, and now I should be able to separate this up. There we go, and then undo this ribbon. Okay, and then come straight up. Just pull that straight up, and look, it moves around a lot more than I suspected. So let's take the dial out, undo this nut right here. This and push it out. I think it should pop out of the holder here. There we go. Push those aside a little bit. There we go. And pull it out and take a look. And let's see. Oh yeah, see? I don't know if you can tell, but it's separate right there. So that's what we're going to try to re-solder on. Okay? So let me get it set up, and then we'll start soldering. We're going to try to solder that piece on there. Okay, and here it is. Alright, here we go. Let's try to solder this piece on. A little bit of solder on there. Okay, so I have stripped the pieces back, and I put solder back on them, and that was pretty tough. Okay, but I got it back together, so I'm going to reassemble it and see if it works. But yeah, this one and this one were both broken. It was only being held on by the center wire, but I stripped a little bit back off of this ribbon, and it's a braided wire, it's not solid, and then I stuck it through the holes, and then I resoldered the tips back on. And so let's reassemble, okay, and see what happens. Okay, let's put it back together. I got it reassembled. I'm gonna make all the connections in the back. Okay, it's back in, and when we turn on heat, it should work. Okay, I got everything back, so thank you.